So you know what, when you enter Clev's booth at Computex, each year you have a couple of custom builds, specifically AK mods and Mark's fabrication. And in general, that's not all that you see on the booth, of course, because they have new RAMs, new SSDs with higher speeds, higher clock speeds on the RAMs, higher capacity. And moving from consumer stuff to the industrial grade ones, we also have a couple of interesting products that will, well, just be quite interesting with 64 gigs times 8, 32 gigs times 8, and 16 gigs times 8. But that's not all, because right behind me, you have different iterations of Intel and AMD platforms with different configurations of RAMs and SSDs. So we're going to go into each of those and explain literally everything about it. So let's move forward. With one of the most complete memory and storage lineups to date, Clev arrives at Computex 2026, spanning mainstream DDR kits, extreme overclocking memory, high-capacity workstation modules, and the next-generation PCIe Gen 5 SSDs. Alongside its consumer focus, they also bring a strong portfolio of enterprise and AI-oriented memory technologies, reinforcing a clear push towards both enthusiast and data-centric computing. Now, we begin the boot tour with Clev's latest DDR5 memory lineup designed for mainstream and enthusiast users. One of the first products on display is the new Lite V RGB DDR5 series. This is positioned as a versatile everyday memory kit aimed at gamers and system builders who want a balance between the performance, capacity, and aesthetics, of course. It offers speeds up to 6400 MHz and capacity reaching 64 GB, combining with a refreshed RGB hue spreader design that gives the module a more refined lighting profiles without overcomplicating the overall look. The focus here is straightforward: stable DDR5 performance, broad platform compatibility, and a clean visual identity for modern PC builds. From there, the showcase transitions into Clev's performance-focused memory segment. A major highlight is the CRAS V RGB Prime series, which introduces AMD EXPO-ULL low latency support. In practical terms, this means tighter memory tuning profiles optimized for latency-sensitive workloads such as gaming and real-time responsiveness. Demonstrated in 32 gig kit configuration running at 6000 MHz with CL26 timings, and paired with high-end Ryzen system like the Ryzen 9 9950X3D, this kit is designed to reduce latency without requiring manual overclocking or BIOS tuning. It represents Clev's push towards performance optimization through platform-level integration rather than purely frequency scaling. Moving further into the enthusiast section of the booth, things escalate significantly in both frequency and ambition. The CRAS V Alpha RGB memory kit is one of the most extreme demonstrations on display. Built on CKD-based CUDIMM architecture, it reaches 10,000 MHz clock speed in a 48GB configuration using 24 gig modules, so 2 times 24. This is very much a showcase of what modern memory controllers and signal integrity improvements can achieve when pushed to their limits. While not aimed at mainstream system, it highlights how far DDR5 overclocking potential has evolved in the current generation of platforms. But the most visually and technically impressive memory configuration in the entire booth comes next. So Clev is also demonstrating a massive 256 gig memory kit built from two 128 gig quad-rank CUDIMM modules. Despite the extreme density, the system is still capable of operating at 8000 MHz speed. This is particularly significant for workstation and AI-focused workloads, where both capacity and bandwidth are critical. In practical terms, this configuration allows users to reach the full memory limit of high-end desktop platforms using only 2 DIMMs, maintaining performance levels that were previously only achievable with significantly lower capacities. It is clearly aimed at creators, engineers, and AI developers working with large datasets and memory-intensive applications. For memory, the tour transitions into Clev's expanding SSD portfolio as well, which now covers Gen 4, Gen 5 and portable storage solutions. The CRAS C910G represents the more accessible PCIe Gen 4x4 segment, designed for everyday users who still want NVMe performance for gaming and productivity. It is positioned as a reliable mid-range SSD that balances speed, efficiency and cost. Below it sits the CRAS C925G Lite, which focuses on value-oriented Gen 4 performance. This model is aimed at system integrators and budget-conscious builders, offering solid NVMe responsiveness without entering enthusiast pricing territory. At the higher end of the storage lineup, Clev introduces the Genuine G540 series PCI Gen 5x4 SSD. This drive is designed for maximum throughput, targeting workloads such as large-scale file transfers, AI datasets, and high-resolution content creation. With Gen 5 bandwidth becoming more common across new platforms, this SSD represents Clev's entry into next-generation storage performance for prosumer and enthusiast systems. Alongside internal storage, Clev also previews a newly designed portable SSD solution. While compact in form factor, it is designed for creators and professionals who need fast, reliable external storage for moving large files between multiple systems. The emphasis here is on portability without sacrificing transfer performance, aligning with modern hybrid workflows. Beyond consumer memory and storage, the focus shifts into Essencore's broader ecosystem of enterprise and AI infrastructure solutions. This section of the boot introduces a wide range of components designed for data-heavy and mission-critical environments. Among them are DDR5-RD modules intended for server and workstation deployments, DDR5 CKD-UDIMM solutions for improved scalability, and SOCAMM2 modules based on LPDDR5T technology for compact, high-efficiency system designs. A particularly important addition in the quad-rank DDR5 CUDIMM architecture, designed to increase both memory density and bandwidth efficiency, is advanced computing environments. These technologies are clearly aimed at AI workloads, large-scale simulations, and enterprise-level data processing, where stability and sustained performance are more important than peak overclocking. Throughout the boot, live demonstrations showcase how these memory and storage solutions behave under real workloads. From extreme overclocking setups and high-frequency DDR5 configurations to high-capacity workstation systems and next-generation SSD performance testing, the focus is on real-world application rather than synthetic benchmarks. Clev's Computex 2026 showcase ultimately ties together three clear directions: high-performance gaming memory, extreme enthusiast overclocking, and scalable enterprise-grade memory solutions for AI and data-driven computing. It's a portfolio built on not just for faster systems, but for the increasingly diverse workloads shaping modern computing.